Hey everybody, welcome to the Westridge Kids channel. My name is Brent.
My name is Hayden.
Michael Boone here. You probably saw him on maybe some of the other previous videos.
Yeah.
But we're about ready to have some fun because if you've ever been bowling before, we enjoy a good bowling game.
Love a good bowling game.
Yeah.
Love the bowling.
The art of it all.
Yes.
The moving of the feet.
The making sure the bumpers are up.
We have decided to step it up a little bit by using a little handy invention known as the tractor truck tire. So here's the game plan. We are going to do a tractor trailer extreme bowling.
These aren't normal bowling pins, though.
These are not. If you'd like to take a look down yonder, we're using 30-gallon Rubbermaid, no plug intended, trash cans.
I like how you know that information.
The one on top is not Rubbermaid.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We have each of us on our own team. We're gonna let each person get their aim just right, and we're gonna go straight for that. If you knock everything down, it's a strike.
Strike.
Anything left up, it is whatever
Not a strike.
point is left, right?
Oh,
So in this game,
okay, gotcha.
if you get everything knocked down, 10 points, right? Okay. And if you leave everything except for one, you get 9 points. Yep. It's a little different than bowling, but
Gotcha, yeah.
you guys ready to get started?
Yes.
All right,
Yes.
who's first? Rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh no, what is that one?
Fire.
That always melts my
Why
scissors.
can my scissors not withstand that? Hayden, we'll see how he does. All right, Mike. He's going in that direction. I'm really nervous. Oh, oh, no. Oh, it's coming. No touchies. Yeah! Big old goose egg for Michael Boone. Oh. Better than you think it should be. All right.
Good year.
1, 2, 3. Oh no! Well, it went farther than Michael's though. Is there points for distance?
I don't think.
All right.
I believe it's my turn.
Rock, paper, scissors to see who goes next.
Wait a minute. I haven't gone yet.
I'm so
nervous. I've never been this nervous in my life.
You nervous about it?
Here we go. Put a little roll in it.
See that follow through?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
And that's I pass. Except no!
It's down.
Yes. I'll rescue it. You rescue it. Good
Do
luck.
I get any points for that? I just mowed it down.
It did. Oh no.
Well, we are tied. Well, I'm winning.
So
I
we-
knocked down the camera. That's 100 points.
Is that points or does that count for deduction? What does that count for?
Double-headed.
Negative. It does right. -1 for Hayden.
Yeah!
All right, Michael Boone, you're next.
All right.
Check the camera real quick. Beth, you gotta rest.
All right. You did a lot of running in a very short amount of time. Could possibly veer right and go towards the white car, but
It'd be funny if it. I'm about to say. It'd be funny if it ran over the iPad now.
Bingo! Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Please don't the iPad.
Oh, go get him! Hayden, save it!
Hayden,
save it!
iPad!
Oh, keep it! Oh man.
Next time you gotta go faster.
We are so bad at this game. This is gonna be a very good one.
Okay, are you ready?
You ready?
1,
3.
2.
Uh-oh. Car, nope, that did, nope, no!
All right.
Who's next?
Hayden is next.
All right, Hayden, so your earlier advice was, it's caused a lot of exercise.
A little off.
This is a workout.
This is really good cardio.
It is.
This game. Here we go. All right, bring it. I'll count it down for you.
Oh,
3.
that. Oh!
Hold
That's it!
Hold
That's
up.
it!
Hold.
Oh! Jackpot! Oh! Man, good job!
Nice.
That is, look at, so he has 4 cans up.
1, 2, 3, 4 up. So 6 points for Hayden, except for the. So he's at a 5 point.
5 points!
5 to go to 0.
That's good.
All right, so Hayden is now at 5 points. Michael on 0. So
Who puts him in first place and puts
let's go in first place.
you
We've
in
got
third?
one more roll between us.
Oh wait, so we're fighting for second.
Fighting for second, unless we get higher, then we get first. And Hayden gets
Oh, that is correct. There still is a chance.
When's the game you made up?
The rules.
Come on, there you go. Yeah. All right, you guys ready? You're just standing over there.
I'm nervous. Well, you're not Mike.
So that's what should happen, just in case.
All right. Here we go. Get it. And it's sent. Oh man, it's
back
deceiving.
Get back over.
It's deceiving.
Get back.
Oh! What are the odds of that?
Extra points. Extra points.
Oh, that
All right,
that
so I
should count as
see-
extra points.
All right, and now it is Michael Boone.
So how many
about
did you
to
leave?
bring.
How many did you have up?
4.
So is that tied?
Right
Oh,
there. You've got 5.
Oh, you have
I
4?
got 6.
So it's the lowest score, okay, so okay.
I 4 left standing, so I have 6 points. He took away one of his points because he hit the
okay,
iPad.
okay. So we
So
both.
now, if you can keep, let's see.
I think you're making these rules up as we go.
What? You think I'm just? This is what I'm thinking.
I'm gonna go karate chop them all
If we
now,
stay here long enough, Hayden will just set it all up,
and then we can
roll
just,
the tire bomb.
and not ask you.
We'll check it. We got some technical things.
Good job, Hayden. We're talking logistics
Are you
here.
ready?
Do you want us to come help you set up trash cans? Alright.
We can help.
We're gonna be right up here on the hill when you're done.
Hayden, can you see us?
Alright.
All right. You know what they say? When facilities are happy, you don't get in trouble.
Did they say that? I've never heard that.
That's like the rules.
Alright.
All right.
So should I?
It's Michael.
Let me de-mic just in case I have to run. I'm gonna sit down after my roll, but I know that.
I don't know what you're saying, but I'm game. All right, Michael Boone. So it's now Hayden at 3.
I have 3. I have 5.
I'm taking away more points. I'm taking away more points. Hayden at 5. Brent at 6. Michael at 0.
Oh, the lowest bid.
Last roll.
Oh,
This is not golf.
Okay.
Bowling.
No golf. This is tractor trailer bowling.
It's bowling. It's first to 300.
Okay. Michael, you got this? Do you need any help?
Nope. Not needed.
I'm glad they're running after this one and not me myself. You know, it feels like every time I run after it, the trash cans fall and I have to pick them all back up. I guess that's just the name of the game.
This is my first. That's always an idea. We're going to give you an opportunity to steer it and possibly beat both of us, right?
Yeah.
We'll give you the full 10 points if you can knock 3 of them over.
3. That's a good number. 3.
2 or 3 of them. But you have to be in the time.
Inside of it. And if you look, there's a piece of poop inside.
Cut.
Just kidding.
All right.
It's not poop.
Yeah. So.
It's diarrhea.
All right. You need anything? Jump on in there.
Well, safety first.
Yeah.
Hey, Michael, Hayden and I pick some items that will keep you safe while you're in this exciting adventure.
Well, safe.
Well, since
Boats are always
Yeah.
rules of that.
Yes. Rules as we go.
I don't have a problem with rules.
I don't either.
How many points do I have?
You have 0.
Okay.
You have 0 points.
What are these safeties?
So here's what we got. A variety.
Yes.
In the prop closet, we have a
helmet.
standard bicycle helmet of a speed racer.
Yes.
We've got a football helmet with a Westridge W on it.
Ooh.
We are sporting. Oh, you
Westridge.
might like this one.
Oh.
West Ridge.
This looks like the astronaut. I think the NFL is going to start wearing this.
We have
My favorite.
Okay, I'm going to vote.
little girl's bicycle helmet.
Look at that.
But if I,
Look how sturdy that is.
Look at her. Oh, okay.
Done. All
You
right.
made the wrong
You
choice.
still. Yep, just flip it. Perfect, Michael. All
Oh,
right.
I like that. I
Do
like that a
you
lot.
need anything else?
But I'm more worried about my neck too.
Oh,
A neck pillow.
Neck pillow.
neck pillow. Too bad we don't have any of those.
We
laying
do
around
have-
here.
This standard airplane issued neck pillow.
Wow, it comes with tire marks already on it.
Whoops. No return on that one. All right. So,
Line the tire.
Yeah,
This is better.
or it could line you. You like it in the tire?
maybe we put it on his face really tight.
Where are all these pillows coming from here in the great outdoors?
The pillow tree.
So are you putting this, you want to put this in the tire?
Oh, wow.
You just want to not touch the poop.
My spine will be.
Yes.
This I think should be.
Behind
I
you.
can't really hold this because I want to hold on.
What if we tape it to your face?
Idea. I do have this duct tape that this tree just produced.
Whoa! What kind of tree is this?
You gonna Hayden?
Thank you.
Make sure you do it right.
Where's this going? Oh, here?
Yeah, sure.
That's a terrible decision.
My hands.
Here you go, Hayden.
This is the first time doing this.
This is good.
You know what they say, beauty hurts.
You can't do my arms too. I'm like over like a corpse. That's not the arms.
The beauty's in the eye of the beholder.
It's gonna choke before he gets to the bottom.
Perfect.
Yeah. Not the arms. How am I gonna defend
Hold on.
myself?
Put that top part in there as well. All right. You feel good?
Make my eyes shaking.
Do you need any more?
I think I'm pretty good.
All right.
Oh yeah, I was putting
Here
my
we
mic
go.
on.
All right. So
Don't make me.
you get in there. I'm gonna. Hey, you put it what aim you want of that, Michael. What if you held that GoPro while you
Like this. At your face.
Does that feel comfortable?
We have to have time.
Yes.
Okay. That didn't work well the first time.
It's been 15 years since I've done this.
You've done this before?
Yes.
Cheater.
15 years ago.
Cheat.
It starts rolling down now.
All right, Michael.
How do you feel at this moment?
I can't use my arms.
I'm not sure if
How
our
do you feel?
church insurance covers this.
I feel. I gotta go to the bathroom.
You heard it here first, folks. He's gonna make another diarrhea in there.
Number 1 or number 2? All right. I'm holding
This
it.
is working great so far.
I'm not sure we can fit in there.
Can we
You're-
use the other? Can we get the other pillow?
No, I'm
It's not bad. It's like a rock. Is this recording?
Yeah.
Are we recording all this?
Absolutely. All right, am I pulling?
So now push this one back behind my head more.
1, 2, 3. Hold on. Stay right there.
Are you kidding me? I didn't even make it to the trash cans. You've got to be joking. How far did I go?
1, 2.
Michael, you did
Michael,
I made it.
Let's pick him up.
crushed
stay in there. We've got 5 more rounds to go.
Somebody else is gonna try this. This is fun.
No, thank you.
No, you've got to try this.
It really slows down on the flat ground, like you were saying.
Yeah, it really does.
You weren't going fast enough to where we couldn't have stopped it. We did break that trash can. But it was needed.
Yeah, that was a bad one. Anyway.
It's really nice.
Let's take it up to the top and let's try it.
Keep this on.
Can't have Michael have all the fun, so I gotta see if I can gain a few points with the human tractor trailer bowling
Good luck.
inside.
Double them up. Do you want? Hold on, let's go over.
I want what?
Okay, get back out.
But I thought I wanted my back.
It's okay, your spine's just gonna crack a little bit.
What if you go backwards? That way.
Hey, remember
I'm going backwards, right?
remember the go-kart video?
My hips are wide. What about these arms? What do you do? Oh, great. All right. Wait, do I not need something for my neck?
No, that's supposed to break.
You You have a very large neck pillow. I want a pillow.
Get it off my head.
Guys, I want a pillow. Give me a pillow. This is such a good idea.
Oh, you're going this time.
Rock-a-bye, baby, in the tree.
Is this a bad time to tell you I get motion sickness?
I have motion sickness. That's why I'm not doing it. I have such bad motion sickness. I can't do any spinny rides.
Me neither. I'm hoping this is different than a normal spinny ride.
Lift your head up.
Okay.
Perfect.
I can't breathe. Like, you want me to...
There you go.
Oh, it's very
That's
narrow.
what they do in NASCAR. So you're good.
So now do I just push?
No, we push.
What'd you do with your hands though? I got
I
one
held
camera.
the camera.
What'd you do with this one?
I held it in both hands.
And you just kind of...
But you want to stiffen these legs out. Make sure you put pressure, because otherwise you're going to fold up inside of it like a puzzle.
Yeah, you're gonna fold up like a
What?
taco.
You said it was
Just know,
easy.
if you don't follow every instruction perfectly, you will be crushed to death.
All right, you get on that side, I'll get
I
on
don't know
that
if
side.
I like this
we're
point out.
gonna have to follow him.
You know where I'm going if I die. Just take the wheel. Three.
You hit 4 trash cans.
Hold on. This is so easy. Woo! All right, there you go, guys. We won. There you have it. It was a tractor trailer bowling. We might have to try this again.
Yeah.
Never.
Leave in the comments below if you would like to see Pastor Brent and magician Michael Boone do this again.
I think it was awesome.
Next video, Hayden's in it.
Tie.
Nope.
We love you all. Maybe we'll see you at church on Sunday at Westridge. We'll be at Westridge Kids. Come visit us
9,
sometime.
11, 12:45.
We'll see you soon. Peace out.
Peace.
See you.
Adios.